Are you a burping machine? Let's break down why it happens and when to worry. Burping, it's natural. We all do it. It's just your body's way of getting rid of excess air in your stomach. But if you're burping like there's no tomorrow, there might be more to it. Firstly, it could be what you're eating or drinking. Fizzy drinks, beans, and even chewing gum can trap extra air. Or it might be how fast you're eating. Slow down and savor your meal. But sometimes, excessive burping can signal a bigger problem. Conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, cause stomach acid to flow back up, leading to more burps. Also, infections like H. pylori can mess with your stomach lining. So if your burps are non-stop, painful, or come with other symptoms, it's time to see a doctor. Stay curious, stay healthy.